सो डॉक्टर्स, डायबिटीज हर बार सिम्टम्स लेके नहीं आता। अ 44-year फीमेल presented with fever with coughing since 15 days and not recovered from oral medication, with anorexia and generalized weakness since 4 to 5 days, and RBS was 571. So we admitted her and कुछ blood investigation कराए, in which CRP was 120, WBC counts are normal, and chest X-ray showing dense non-homogeneous opacity in bilateral upper and mid zone. So हमने HRCT thorax करवाया, it showing cavitating consolidation and Cox likely. So we refer pulmonologist. They advise sputum AFB culture and gene expert, in which MTB was positive, means patient को pulmonary TB था. So we started AKT4, and for sugar we started insulin infusion and then tapered to sub-Q insulin 4th hourly, and now it is in control with oral medication. Follow for more such videos.